Everyone, so how you guys doing today? We are going to work on this Accra fabric material that you can see, very lovely. You can see the Accra is very beautiful. So we are going to use it for pencil skirt today. So please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it, comment. So let's get started now. So now I've gone ahead now to cut out my pieces that I want, the one that I want. So this is the front piece now. So we are going to start with our length, and before then I will subtract 2 inches from my tape. Why doing that? Because of our band. So our band is that determine what we want to subtract. So my length, I'm going ahead now to mark 40 inches for my length. My actual length is 38 inches. So for the folding of the hem line, that's why we added 2 inches, and that's why we have that 14 inches. So I will continue to subtract my 2 inches from the upper side, and this upper side is the waist. So then I will mark my 14 inches, and after that I'll go ahead now to roll it. So that is it. So then we will start with our measurement now. I'm still going to be subtracting from my tape, like 2 inches, and then mark to get my hip length. My hip length is 8 inches. So I will continue to mark my 8 inches like this, because on this line, that is where our hip measurement will be. So then I will roll it. So after that now, I will start with the proper measurement. That's my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 26 inches. So 26 inches divided by 4, that will give us on our tape 6.5 inches. So that's my 6.5 inches that I mark, and then adding 2 inches for my sewing allowance. So come down to the hip line now. My hip is 36 inches. 36 inches divided by 4, that will give us 9 inches on our tape, and then I will mark my 9 inches like this, and then added 1.5 inches for the hip allowance. So that is the hip allowance, 1.5. So coming to the hemline now, I will not shape it. I will shape it from my hip. So what I'm shaping out, I'm shaping up to 4 inch. That means our measurement now will not be 32 inches here. That is to shape it now. So I'm marking 32 inches. So do you understand that what I did? What I did from my hip is 36 that I marked. So I want to shape it down because it's a pencil skirt. So I remove 4. You know, we now got 32 inches on our tape. That is 8.5. So that is 8.5. So what we subtract from the hip is 4 inches to make it pencil. And you can also make it pencil more than that, but that is what I just need. So then I will connect my marks together like this from my waist to my hip. So then from my hip now, I will connect it down. So that is what I'm doing here now. So using my ruler to connect it like this, connect it down to the hemline that we have 32 inches that we shape out. So that is it. So what next now is to cut, because you have done with the front piece measurement. So what we are doing now is the front piece that we are working on. So that is it. So I'll cut now. So I'm starting from the hemline to cut it out now. So this is how to cut your skirt, your pencil skirt. Remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Don't forget to do that. And also please watch my video down to the end. Share it for friends so that they too can see and watch, please. And also comment. So that is it. So you can see the shape have come out. So this is how we have achieved our pencil skirt. So the next step now is to cut the back using the front piece now that we cut out to cut out the back piece. This is my back piece now that I want to cut out. So I've laid it out. So I will using my front piece that cut out and lay on it like this and add our zipper allowance. So that is what I'm placing now so that we'll get our zipper allowance. So let me fold it well. So to measure the zipper allowance, using my tape to measure it. So what I added there is 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches for the zipper. So what we're just going to do now is for us now to cut it out because already we have used the front to do all the measurements. So just for us now to get our zipper, that's why we just lay the back and using the front to cut it out. So let me cut it out now. So I'm cutting down from the down part like this. So that is it. So I'll continue to cut it, and after that we'll take it to the machine to go and sew, and also come and show you the next step after sewing it. So if you have your fabric, you can bring it out and cut along with me the way you can see me doing, so that you can cut out your pencil skirt and your pencil skirt will come out very well. So I will open the zipper side of it now. So let me do that. So it's my zipper side now that I'm cutting out now. So this is how you are going to also make your own when making your own. And please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. We'll finish cutting out the zipper side. So we'll take it to the machine now to go and stitch. So I'll go ahead now to cut my band now. So I will place my band like this and fold it. So I will fold my band like this, and then I will mark 2.5 inches. Remember, it's 2 inches that will subtract, so we are making it 2.5. So by the time we sew, it will go back to that 2 inches. So let me cut out the band. So after doing this, I will go and stitch it on the waist of our pencil skirt, and our pencil skirt will be ready for that. So our pencil skirt will be ready. So I've cut it out now. That is for the band. I'm going to join my skirt, the zipper side. So now is to take our measurement now. So as we are taking our measurement now, we divide it into 2, not into 4. So when joining your cloth, it's into 2 that you now divide it. So this is my weight. My waist is 26 inches, and 26 inches is 13. So the remaining one that remain there, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means our allowance that we have there is 2 inches. Coming to the other side, we also mark 2 inches, and then placing my tape to subtract that my 2 inches for the band to mark my hip line. My hip line is 8 inches, remember that. So on that line, that's where we'll get our measurement now for the hip. So our hip is 36, and this is what remains. So we'll mark one that remain now, 1.5, like this, 1.5 on this other side. So we'll come to the hemline side and also shape it. So we'll shape out from the hip. The hip is 36. So what we are shaping out from here is 32. So this is our 32 inches. So what we will mark here is 1 inch on this side. Coming to this side, 1 inch. I hope you are following up. So we are done with that. So now to connect it, so I will use my curve ruler now to curve it like this from my waist to my hip. Curve it, that is to mark. So I'm marking from my waist to my hip like this. So our ruler cannot extend, so we'll use our tape to extend it. So I'm placing my tape like this to mark. So this is how I'm marking it now. Mark it to the hemline. So after doing all of this, I will now take it to the machine to go and stitch the front and the back piece. So what I'm using the back piece now to measure is the back piece that we are using like this. So I've done that. So let me take it to the machine to go and stitch together with the front piece. Pencil skirt is ready, as you can see, very lovely. You can see the way the shape came out, and this is how we cut it. You can see the procedure that we use, and also how we did our band. So this is how you are going to cut your own if you want to cut your material, that is to cut your pencil skirt. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that, and please watch my video down to the end and also give it a thumbs up. Share it for others so that they too can see and learn and watch. Thank you once more for watching. See you guys in my next video.